My name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I'm making homemade spaghetti for the first time this way using tomatoes from the garden. Let's go. I'm cooking from the garden today. So I have a lot of tomatoes from my garden. These are cherry tomatoes. I cut them in half and I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil and I'm going to coat them in breadcrumbs and garlic and herb from Pampered Chef and a little bit of salt. And I'm going to be cooking them at 350 for 30 minutes in the oven. Okay, so here I have meatballs. This is just beef that I put in little balls and I cooked them on the stove. I just started a bag and a half of panini ricotta. I'm sorry, I'm not Italian. Panini ricotta. Anyway, 11 more minutes for the tomatoes. Okay, so here we have it all cooked. It smells delicious. We've got our meat here. My husband's having some. Turned out delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye.